Hey, good afternoon, it's Jeremiah with Affordable Mobility Solutions, and today I'm shooting a video of our 2020 Chrysler Pacifica. You can see here with the key fob, I can operate both power sliding doors, and the rear trunk hatch has a brand new rear entry, manual conversion, easy to operate, low cost to maintain. I grab the handle here and I simply walk backwards. Set the ramp to the ground. Tell our customers if you can lift up a gallon of milk up off the ground, you can operate this ramp with ease. 37 inches wide. Most side entries are only 30 inches wide, so if you need a wider chair or chairs, this might be the answer for you. And if someone parks next to you in your side entry wheelchair accessible van, you cannot get out in your wheelchair. Not the case with the rear entry. The rear entry have more ground clearance for getting over rougher terrain, and like I said, that much wider ramp. A few of the advantages to the rear entry, but I also sell side entry. We sell some trucks, we sell SUVs, we sell full size. If you don't see it on our website, ask me. We might be getting it ready right now, or I could probably find it for you. This is what I do all day, every day. Has a deep cut conversion, runs all the way to the front, so you can hold up to 2 wheelchairs at a time in here, or a gurney, or a stretcher. And these Chryslers have about a foot longer channel than both the Dodge and the Toyota. So if you're looking to haul 2 chairs, need that extra foot of room, it can really help out. You see it does kind of channel up here on the ramp to about 34 inches at the front. So if you're wider than 34 inches on your chair, you're probably going to have to stay in back, but it does give you that option to get the big wide chairs in here. We have the upgraded Q-straight tie downs in here at no charge to you. A lot of our competition is going to charge you $600 to $800 to upgrade to those. We throw them in for free, so be sure you're comparing apples to apples when you compare us to the competition. Got 2 shoulder harnesses up here. You've got your headliner, looks good. Got your rear air controls. Got your cup holders in the back. Between those seats, there's about 16 inches of room. So ideally, the front chair, their knees will sit in between those seats, and their bottom right behind it. We can get some seats that'll flip up on their side in here possibly. Talk to me about your measurements. Talk to me about how many people you're hauling. Let us help customize this van to meet your needs. Get your Q-strength warranty and tie down information there. Get your rear air controls as well. Get your center console here. Cup holders for your passengers in the back. Cup holders for your passengers up front. Plug-ins for all your electronics. Dual climate control rear air. Got your backup camera. Dash is in great shape. No cracks or holes in the dash. Got steering wheel controls so you can keep your eyes on the road. Got your garage controls up there for your garage door. All the power doors can be operated up here as well. And when we exit the vehicle, just reverse the process. It's all very simple. Now this conversion comes with a 1-year, 12,000 mile warranty on the conversion. And again, it's got this extra flap here, extra extension to make that incline not so harsh on you. So fold it back up. You can hit the button there, put her down, and you're ready to go. As I do a walk around of the van, it's got the tandem windows, it's got the alloy wheels. All these tires are about 9/32, so they're not quite new, but they're not far from it. Very good tires on the van. You know, you hear me talk about all the time how you can save $5,000 to $10,000 on your next wheelchair accessible van. How we do it is very simple. It's low overhead. We have one location. Little touch-up paint right there, by the way. Little touch-up paint there. Most 4-year-old vehicles, 4 to 5-year-old vehicles are going to have little tiny scratches on them. Only difference is I'm honest enough to show you those. Don't punish me for being honest with you. No 5-year-old van's going to be 4 or 5-year-old van's going to be perfect. But back to the low overhead, we got one location right here in the middle of the country. Allows us to ship anywhere in the lower 48 states free of charge, obviously saving you money. And with our one location, our low overhead, I want you to imagine our competition, the ones that have 5, 10, 20, 100 stores. Imagine how much money they're paying every month in rent alone, plus employees, all the utilities. It's simple math. One location, myself and 6 full-time employees, we produce all these vans. We are highly efficient. We cut waste. We work very hard all day. We don't have team meetings and all these things that corporations do. You've probably worked for one before. You know exactly what I'm talking about. That's how we save you $5,000 to $10,000 a low overhead. And no matter who you do business with, get a video of the VIN number here. Out on Facebook Marketplace especially, they're taking our pictures, they're cutting off the top there, and they're posting them on the internet. A van like this, $15,000. No way, they're trying to scam you. So say to them, I want you to get me a video of the VIN number. Hey, my name is Jeremiah Coleman. I own Affordable Mobility Solutions. I've got this van right here in my possession. They couldn't do that because they're trying to scam you. They don't have the van in their possession. So make sure you get a video of that VIN number. What we do with that VIN number on a Carfax on every single one of our vehicles, you can see this one is 1 owner, no accidents or damage. You've been serviced regularly, 6 service records. As we scroll down, Carfax shows no salvage, junk, rebuilt, fire, flood, hail, or lemon brands on the title, and they show no total loss. Sorry about that, got a phone call, but I was saying Carfax shows no total loss, no structural damage, airbags have never deployed. Odometer is accurate, no accidents or damage, and does show the vehicle went into service May 2nd of 2020, so it meets the specs to be under the full Chrysler powertrain warranty until May 20th, 2025, or 60,000 miles, whichever comes first. No matter who you do business with, look them up online, check out their reputation and reviews. Find us on eBay. 1,561 transactions. Every single one of those transactions left us positive feedback, 100%. I would say that qualifies for a good reputation. No matter who you do business with, find them online on Google. Make sure they are a real company. Check us out. 4.8 out of 5-star reviews, 328 reviews. No matter who you do business with, make sure they have a lot of reviews there, so they're not scamming you. And I hear a lot of horror stories about people buying from the general public or the low-end dealers, with 1 and 2 and 3-star ratings here. They end up buying a stolen vehicle. Yes, people are out there selling stolen vehicles. They're selling rental vehicles. They're doing all sorts of crazy things. Or they end up buying a vehicle that's got a salvage title they weren't told about, major mechanical issues, flood damage, you name it. I've heard it all. So if you want the low-end experience, the 1 and 2 and 3-star experiences, go ahead and deal with the general public and those low-end dealers. If you want 5-star vans with 5-star service from a company that's been doing this for over a dozen years, I look forward to working with you. Another great feature about this van is got the remote start. Hit the button twice on there, whether you want to come out to a nice air-conditioned van in the summertime, or you want to come out to nice heated up defrosted windows and ready to go, you've got that option. Alright, got your 1 key fob here. If you want us to get additional keys made on your dime, we sure can. It's got the push button start. I'll show you that here in just a minute. But it's got the black cloth interior. Power driver seat works great. And I'm a non-smoker. I can smell smoke from a mile away. No signs of any smoke or unusual odors in this van. And if you're going to use this van commercially, you want to turn the power doors off so you can get in and out quicker without damaging the doors. You can push that button right there. Very simple to do. I'm just showing you all the second row seats here. They're also in great shape. Just the layout of the van for those of you that may not be real familiar with these, but I do like the push button start. If the key's in your pocket or your purse, you don't have to fish it out. Put your foot on the brake, push the button, and you're ready to roll. And the radio works just fine. See how the dummy lights work, and they all go out. 22,569 miles on this van. Super low miles on the van. We'll turn our parking sense on. That helps. If something's behind us, it'll beep at us. All that good safety stuff. I've got 4 mechanics that work for me. We test the power mirrors, windows and locks. It's got the lane departure warning, so if we're on our test drive, that little triangle will turn yellow if someone's in my blind spot. Another great safety feature on this van. Test that power mirror over there. Power mirror. We've also tested all the brakes, heat, air, cruise, belts, hoses, suspension, tires, taken on a road test. Replace fluids as necessary. My point is, we do not just throw these on the internet after a car wash. They go through a very thorough inspection before they hit my lot, and hope you can tell by our videos, we're very thorough in everything we do. Underneath the hood, it's got the 3.6 V6 engine. Idles smoothly, no signs of any damage, no signs of any leaks, and still meets the specs to be under that powertrain warranty like we just talked about. As I crawl underneath the van, much of the same. Very clean, no signs of any bent metal from an accident, no signs of any oil or fluid leaks, no signs of any damage from being in a flood, no water damage, and no signs of any rust from being up north. And that's the #1 mistake people make when they buy used vehicles. They assume things. They assume just because it's only got 20,000 miles on it, they assume it runs and drives good. They assume it's never been in a bad accident or a flood. Folks, that's the most dangerous thing you can do. Just assuming things. Think about how many brand new car dealerships get flooded. Brand new cars can get flood damage. So you definitely don't want to assume that, especially with a used vehicle. So I want you to go check out my competition. I don't care who they are. I don't care if it's individual or dealer. I want you to ask yourself, do they show me the reputation online so I know I'm dealing with someone honest, reputable, and fair? Do they show me a Carfax report so I know I got a vehicle that's got a clean title, no major accidents or damage, never been in a flood? They get down on their hands and knees and even bother taking pictures, much less a super detailed video of the undercarriage, so you can see no signs of an accident, no signs of a flood. They get up on the roof and take pictures and video of the rooftop. You know how many vans I see at auction that have a hole drilled in the roof from being a taxi before, or major hail damage on the roof? Because nobody looks at the roofs. You know who looks at the roofs? Jeremiah with Affordable Mobility. That's who looks at the roof. So when it comes to not only price, when it comes to reputation, when it comes to how thorough they are and showing you the exact vehicle you're getting, please compare me to the competition. Tell me what ends up happening if you end up buying a van that you can't get a title for because you're dealing with a shady individual. What happens if you end up buying a van that won't pass inspection in your state because it's got frame damage from an accident or a flood? In both those cases, and in so many more, you can't drive the van. If you can't get it titled, you just bought a 4,000-pound paperweight. So before you buy from anybody, do 4 things. Demand a detailed video, just like this. Not some lazy 30-second walk around, folks. You're not buying a handbag off of eBay. This is a very expensive purchase. Demand a detailed video. Second, demand a Carfax report. Yes, Carfax costs me thousands of dollars a month, but I do that because they are the most thorough VIN inspection there is. I demand the best. You should too. Third, get online, find out who you're buying from, check out their warrant, check out their reviews. Lazy buyers get scammed. Don't you be a lazy buyer. Get online and find out who you're buying from, and then finally demand a warranty. Like I mentioned, the conversion comes with a warranty. We got our powertrain warranty specs on the van as well. So do not risk buying as is, demand that warranty. And I'm up here showing you this roof because the roof matters. So let's get her out for a test drive so you can hear it run. All right, final portion of the video. I always like to get the vans out on the highway, give it some gas so you can hear the engine run, feel the transmission shift through all the gears, and you know whether you take advantage of our free shipping in the lower 48 states, or if you come and drive this Pacifica home. We've done our due diligence. We've made sure that it's roadworthy. You'll see the steering wheel is nice and straight, no unusual vibration or noise. When I get a little runway, I'll pop it up to 70 so you can hear it run. But do keep in mind, we do have the specs for the factory warranty as well. For the drivetrain warranty, we have the conversion warranty. We do sell long-term extended warranties that are factory type. They go all the way out to 8 years. Talk to me about how you can affordably protect your investment long-term. Got the cruise control set, pops up to 70 miles an hour, runs and drives like one of our brand new vans. Very nice, very clean. And also keep in mind, we don't have any hidden fees. A lot of these dealers, they have a real nice price online. What they have hidden in the fine print is a $500 administrative fee. They got document fees, they got tag fees, they got freight, you name it, they got a fee for it. You know what they don't have? Free shipping. So by the time you add up all the hidden fees, by the time you add up the cost of shipping, that real nice price you saw online just jumped $3,000 or $4,000. Not such a nice price anymore, is it? So be sure to ask about the fees before you buy, or sit back, relax. Let me take care of all that for you at no additional charge to you. My question to you, if someone's not telling you the real price of a vehicle, they got a bunch of hidden fees on the back end to try to make more money out of you, what else are they hiding from you? Is it a salvage title, flood damage, major mechanical issues? You know, I can't speak for them, but one thing I can speak for, that in any business, but especially none more important than the used car business, transparency is key. That's why I'm not making this video today. See, I got my blind spot on right there, the old yellow. I got that truck right there, so it lets me know someone's in my blind spot. Great safety feature to have. Like I said, be aware of those hidden fees. I wanted to show you that while that truck was next to me. I'm going to give the van a nice hard brake. You'll see no grinding, no squeaking, no unusual brake noise or vibration. Again, exactly what we're looking for. If you'd like to give us a phone call or preferably a text message goes to our entire company. Anyone can help and attend to you faster. But if you need to make a call, I try to check my voicemails as often as I can. We get super busy, so it's tough. But 316-262-VANS. That's 316-262-8267. My name is Jeremiah. I'm the owner of the company. You can reach out, call, like I said, text. I challenge you to ask the competition if they are dedicated enough to customer service to give you a direct line to call or text the owner. Or do you get to call in and talk to an automated system and end up in somebody's voicemail and never get a call back? Or maybe you do get that live person as that super aggressive, pushy, used car salesman who's going to call you 5 times a day to ask if you're ready to make a deal. So if you're like me, sick of being treated like a number by all these companies out there, you definitely want to avoid that annoying used car salesman. Give us a call, give us a text. I'll walk you through start to finish, and I promise you I'm going to sell this Pacifica whether you buy it or not. Absolutely zero pressure sales here. But yes, we do take trade-ins even from across the country, whether standard or mobility vehicle. Call me, I can explain how that works, or text us. We'll set up a time with you. And if you ever do want to come in to see our inventory, that would be great, but we 100%, you must make an appointment with us. We stay extremely busy. We already have appointments going on all day, every day. Please just text us, set up an appointment, make it easy for both of us, save us both some time. I would much appreciate that. And if you made it to the end of our video, thank you for hanging in there. I know it's a long video, but I know it's a major purchase, so I'm trying to be as thorough as possible. And if you'd like to see our entire inventory with detailed videos just like this, free shipping, free Carfax reports, and dozens of pictures of every vehicle, all with no hidden fees, so you know exactly what you're getting from the most thorough and transparent mobility dealership in the entire country. Check out our website 24 hours a day at www.mobility316.com. That's mobility316.com. And as always, thank you so much for checking us out at mobility316.com, home of affordable mobility solutions, where mobility is affordable. Call or text us today. Have yourself a wonderful day.